In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best decorative garden signs that are available on the market. We made the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion, and more. To see the most up-to-date prices, check out the links in the description below. Number 1. Funlini Vintage Metal Garden Sign. Without question, the best decorative garden sign for your backyard is the Funlini Vintage Metal Garden Sign with distressed green finish. This stunning garden welcome sign has been constructed with high-quality materials and craftsmanship, featuring a waterproof and rustic green metal with distressed surface. Moreover, it comes with a unique 3D effect, with the white lettering raised, and boasts an incredibly easy installation, just one screw, making it perfect for both indoor or outdoor use. Number 2. Jesiceny Great Tin Sign. Sliding into our 9th spot on the list, we have the Jesiceny Great Tin Sign Grow Dammit Vintage Metal Sign. First and foremost, this sign is made from a durable tin/aluminum material that comes with pre-drilled holes for easy hanging. While this specific sign has garnered mass appeal, Jesiceny also comes with a variety of other designs with whimsical phrases. All in all, this proves to be an affordable solution that is sure to bring more attention to any garden or outdoor space. Number 3. Garden Metal Sunflower Stake with Welcome Sign. Another extraordinary garden sign that is sure to make for a fantastic addition to any backyard space is the Garden Metal Sunflower Stake with Welcome Sign. This unique sign has been molded into the shape of a bright sunflower, along with a set of cute birds and welcome letter design. This hardy design is made from premium metal and coated with UV-resistant paint, which is durable, anti-corrosion, and weather-resistant for year-round use. Above all else, this decorative sunflower stake is remarkably easy to assemble and sure to catch the eye of anyone walking by. Number 4. Retro Garden Rules Sign. Another fantastic option is the Retro Garden Rules Sign. This vintage design is crafted from high-quality plywood with HD UV water-resistant printing that features robins and sunflowers, as well as a distressed wood look with funny garden signs. With this one reading, listen to birds, feel the breeze, read a book, take a nap, sip a drink, relax, making it a novelty garden sign that is suitable for any indoor or outdoor setting. Furthermore, the Garden Rules sign comes with a metal back hole for easy hanging, and is one of the more durable decorative garden signs on the market. Number 5. Atenia Be Humble and Kind Garden Burlap Flag Sign. It's not only one of the most affordable decorative garden signs on the market, but one of the most attractive as well. Featuring the phrase, "Be humble, be kind," with a bee surrounded by lemons in the center, this double-layered, finely stitched garden flag is made with premium polyester burlap material, which is weatherproof and UV fade resistant, while the lettering is printed on using a sublimation printer, subsequently heat pressed onto the flag to create vibrant, bright patterns. Plus, this purchase comes with a lifetime, no-hassle manufacturer guarantee. So, if you ever have any issues whatsoever, they will either replace the flag or issue a full refund right away.